Forget the tomatoes. This white chicken karahi is all about rich yogurt, fresh cream, and a burst of flavor. If you want a 20-minute dinner that looks and tastes like a masterpiece, this recipe is for you. Hi everyone, this is Ira. Today I am sharing a recipe that is pure luxury in a pan, white chicken karahi. It's incredibly creamy, rich, and so easy to make. To start, take 1 kg of chicken and fry it in oil on medium-high heat until it turns a beautifully golden. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well before taking it out. Once perfectly seared, remove the chicken and set it aside, making sure to save about half of that aromatic oil for later. It will take 5 to 6 minutes to fry this chicken. In the remaining oil, fry 1 sliced onion until lightly golden, then take it out and blend it into a smooth paste. This is our secret for that velvety gravy. Now in the same pan, saute 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste for a few minutes. Then add the onion paste and 2 tablespoons of green chili paste for a subtle kick. Bring back the fried chicken, toss it well and then add spices mentioned on the screen. Saute it well and then add 120 gram of well beaten yogurt. Cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes until the oil separates. And saute for a few more minutes. For that final signature touch, pour in 120 gram of fresh cream. Mix gently and let it simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. Finally, garnish with fresh green chilies, tomatoes, and julienne cut ginger. Our delicious creamy white chicken karahi is ready. If you love this recipe, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.